Hi, Libby. Do you want to play with your rattle? Okay, let's take off your clothes. Let's take off your clothes. Oh yeah, you want to take off your clothes? Let's take off your sleepy sack. Time to get dressed, even though it's almost 3. Alrighty, let me get this off your arm. Oops, there we go. Get this off your arm. Yay! Okay, let's get the other one off. Oh, talking? You talking to mommy? There we go. There we go. Yeah, you want to play with your rattle? Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. Yeah, you're playing with your rattle. Yeah, okay. Play with our rattle and get our clothes off. Okay. Oh, that's a weird noise. Still playing with the rattle? Mommy can't do this with one hand. Ah, we gotta get over. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you're playing with your rattle. Yay. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Yeah, hiccups.